What's up, everybody? We're here today with LazyRon Studios to do the blind Pringle taste test challenge. A fun time.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of Pringles. We have no idea what flavors they're gonna be. We're gonna put on our Pokemon blindfolds and then try and guess them at the same time.
All right.
That actually fits perfectly.
Oh my gosh, the eyes.
Roar. All right, get blindfolded up. Are you guys ready to do this?
I guess.
do it.
What does the winner get? Because that's
Pride?
gonna be me. What? All I get is some stinking pride? And so what's the rules?
We're all gonna taste it, and then on the count of three, we're gonna talk about it, and on the count of three, we're all gonna try and name what the flavor is.
All right, don't give us that pizza one that was at the top.
Okay, here's the can. I'm gonna take 2 chips because I love chips. These are covered in some sort of delicious flavoring. I'm gonna eat it. Ready?
Ready, go.
Ah. Whoa, wait.
Those are good. Can I have more?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Cheddar sour
and
cream.
onion.
I just say cheese.
What'd you say, Ash?
Cheddar sour cream.
What is it?
Cheddar cheese. Well, so far I'm the closest, so.
I just said cheese. That's all I got.
Okay, you guys definitely got closer than I did.
He said one part of it and I said the other part.
That's a
Oh,
half
half a point.
Half a
Take
point.
it. High
We'll
five.
take it. Woo!
Alright, next up.
Next flavor.
Yum, 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 yum.
I can already tell this is gonna be tastier.
Ooh, the texture.
Wait, these chips have no smell.
I'm getting more than 2. Is that okay?
What the heck is this? There we go. Any more?
I'm like, yeah, I don't get enough of what I have. I had these last night.
What?
I'm ready. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Sour cream and onion.
Boom, we all got
Yeah!
it. 1 point for the squad. I told you I was a king of this.
You got 1 out of 2. Honestly, I'm gonna start eating half chips because if we got how many more cans? I don't want to eat this many chips.
Oh, really? I've been eating like 4 or 5.
I know this. I'm ready to rock. I don't even need any more.
I know the flavor, but I can't name it.
3, 2, 1.
Pizza!
Hot.
Did you say hot?
Yeah.
It is pizza!
Ding, ding, ding! We got a winner!
I didn't even know they made
It was
pizza
such a
Pringles.
weird taste.
I said dill.
You just said pepperoni.
You just said hot?
Because you guys were saying something. I was like, I gotta say something. Let me get some. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
No. Oh.
These are, I
It's
could
done
do
deal.
it.
Easy.
No, yeah.
1,
2,
3.
barbecue!
BBQ, baby. Easy.
You guys are gonna get this one.
Oh, jeez. Look at the lack of faith over here.
Not with that
Trying to
attitude.
come.
Yeah, exactly. What the heck? I thought it was salt and vinegar, but it's
Me
not.
too.
It's definitely not. Wait, I got it.
Wait, really?
I got it.
Okay, 1.
2,
3.
honey
Hawaiian.
mustard.
I said sour cream again.
Oh!
Honey mustard, baby. Boom.
Oh, it is honey mustard.
Nom 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 nom.
It's a tricky one.
Yeah, those are good though.
Yeah, those are good.
Hey, quit throwing us off with your commentary.
All right, let's see what this is. These are some basic chips.
1.
2,
3.
Regular.
Shrimp.
Regular. No. It just tastes like Pringles.
dang it, they're just original.
Yeah.
Are you Pringles? Okay, 'cause I didn't see any flavoring on this.
We,
What did you say? Shrimp?
yeah, I thought they were like.
Shrimp?
All right, you guys ready for the next one?
I want to say sour cream and dip sour cream.
3.
2,
1.
Ranch.
Oh, it is ranch.
it's just ranch.
Dang it! As soon as she said that.
How are
Oh.
we so bad at this? How am I so bad at
Yeah.
You
this?
claimed you were gonna whoop us too.
I did claim I was gonna whoop y'all. All right. Blindfolds on. How many are left, JP?
Wait, has she gotten everyone?
3?
3?
Okay, if Ashley misses all 3, we get all 3. We have a chance of winning.
Dang, that was ranch. As soon as you said it, I
I
tasted
know, but it didn't taste like it originally. All right, we got another one here.
it. Okay, I know this one. Easy.
Oh y'all.
This has to be easy.
It's my favorite.
1,
2,
3.
Salt and vinegar.
You guys aren't good.
We're not gonna get these.
Come on, don't question my skills.
I didn't realize there were so many flavors of Pringles.
Me neither. Where have I been? What is this? It's spicy.
All right. I got this.
You got this?
I'm okay not eating the other one. Yeah, I think I know what it is.
Ready?
What?
1.
2,
3.
Ghost
Habanero.
pepper.
Extra hot.
Extra hot what?
Chili and lime.
Now it's hot.
How hot?
it!
You have flavor
You should have
called
just said hot.
What the heck?
should have said hot.
Did any of us get it? Because you said pepper.
Not really. We all said some sort of
I
pepper.
said
I
ghost
said ghost pepper too.
Yeah, I'm sweating already.
No,
too.
that's a wash. Nobody got that one.
Is this the last one, JP?
Oh, that burned my face.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
I feel.
Reach out slowly in front of you. There's one chip.
Come on. You just putting chips in front of us now?
Wait, why aren't you giving us the canister?
Yeah, why?
Oh.
That's because he's trying to throw us off.
There's hot sauce in this chip.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna need some water to
Yeah.
clear my palate.
Me too. Oh god, hot. What kind of chip is it though? There was only one left. You tricked us.
So we have to guess the hot sauce or the chip?
If you guys get this exactly, it's an automatic win.
Okay.
All right, last can right here. It just tastes like sour cream and onion chip.
Hey, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Did I say this one already and get it wrong?
That's way too much of an answer if he tells you.
JP, did I?
Ashley is so on top of this right now.
I'll have to watch the replay.
One,
Oh, wait. 2,
two.
3. Pickle.
Cheddar sour cream.
It is cheddar and sour cream.
How do you know that?
That tastes like it, and that's my favorite Ruffles flavor.
Unbelievable.
So he gets half a point.
Oh, there's hot sauce in my hand.
Yeah, it's hot sauce in my hand too.
Okay, so let's tally it up.
Good job, Ashley.
Thank you.
Good job.
I accept that.
You have a very strong grip.
Congratulations.
I
Thank
know.
you. What do I win? I don't win all these Pringles, so that's not a good prize.
You win the fact that yes, you were better at guessing foods than the rest of us. Anyway, that was the Pringles challenge. Ashley's good at this.
This is a challenge I can get on board with, you guys. You know, usually I don't fend well in these challenges.
What are you talking about? Have you guys seen the smoothie challenge? We did the smoothie challenge with Ashley once.
Oh my gosh.
You know how you're supposed to it's half bad ingredients, half good ingredients?
Yeah.
She literally got 7 out of 8 good ingredients.
It's impossible.
It was amazing.
I put the percentage chance of it happening, and it was absurd.
It was like 0.007 or something.
Yeah. A bunch of BS.
It was amazing. That video is one of my favorites. To this day, everybody tells me that they love that video and they watch that video.
I
Anyway,
gotta go watch this video now.
Guess what, Ashley? You won again. So congratulations, everyone.
Do you win a lot?
thank you. Not really, just on Feast of Fiction. Winner to you guys.
Anyway, thanks so much for Aaron for coming out. Make sure you guys check his stuff out, LazyRon Studios. We're
That's
going to be
right.
popping up as well on the challenge video at some point. And we made a video for our doggies together as well, so make sure you check that
And
out.
we've done stuff together, like we went
Yes.
to Jollibee together.
Yeah.
Made an ube roll together.
Ooh! And we ate spicy ramen, which was probably the worst thing we've done together.
Yes, do it.
That made me
Oh,
cry.
yeah.
Yeah, I was on maternity leave when that happened.
Now you can do
And
it.
now I'm back.
All right, let us know in the comments what your favorite Pringles flavor is.
We should do other flavors next time.
Yeah.
We should be a part 2.
Really?
Are there more flavors
You're
of
gonna have to go
Pringles?
to a different
There have to
grocery store to get all those.
You just
Yeah.
Amazon it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all don't want any of this? Y'all
Oh
still down?
my gosh. I'm gonna train.
I'm gonna train.
Yeah.
Train.
You're like, hey, what are you going over to Aaron's for? Like, nothing. You're like, what are all those tubes in your hand? Nothing.
Nothing.
Anyway, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Leave a comment below if you want to see us do something next on the show.
Yep, we'll see you next time.
Bye.